Hello student, this is the Sangeeta Mansukhani, video number 168. In this video I will be explain NCERT textual exercise questions. Question number first, what is meant by the following terms and give an example of the reaction in each case. So first one is cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin, acetyl, semicarbazone, aldol, hemiacetyl, oxime, ketal, imine, 2,4-DNP derivatives and Schiff base. All are completely formed by the carbonyl group. Okay, so first discuss about cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin, here you see aldehyde we have to take RCHO, react with the hydrogen cyanide HCl. Okay, so I already explained cyanide group attached with the carbon. Okay, and this hydrogen attached with the oxygen. See, carbonyl group, carbon is the electropositive and oxygen is electronegative. Okay, and HCl, hydrogen plus and cyanide minus. So cyanide going to the carbon and hydrogen going to the oxygen. So see, RC, double bond convert into the single bond and OH, and then this H downside and cyanide attached with Cl. So this is the form cyanohydride. So cyanide group attached with the carbonyl group, so it is formed cyanohydrin. Then next is acetyl. Acetyl aldehyde group with attached with the alcoholic group. Okay, so alcoholic group in the presence of the HCl gas. So same procedure, RO, okay, 2OR group attached with the carbon and this hydrogen going to the one by one attach. Okay, so one time one OR attach and then H2O out. Okay, here directly written 2ROH, 2 alcoholic molecule react with the aldehyde. So 2 alkoxy group attached with the carbon. Clear? So remaining is 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, right? H2O out. Clear? Then third is semicarbazone. Semicarbazone, that is means ketone react with the semicarbazide. What is the semicarbazide? Urea, this is the urea, NHCHCO NH2, NH2CO NH2. Here H attached with the NH2. So this is the semicarbazide and react with the ketone. So H2 out and double bond, C double bond attached with this carbon, with this group. C double bond and NHCO NH2, right? So semicarbazide react with the ketone. So formation on the basis of this name, semicarbazone. Clear? Next is aldol. Ethynyl acetaldehyde react in the presence of the NaOH, dilute alkali. So it is formed dimer. Okay, 2 molecule react with the, I already explained aldol condensation. This is the aldol condensation. Okay, so CS3 CHOH, okay, 2 second molecule. So one aldehyde double bond carbonyl group react and another methylene group attach. Okay, so CS3 CHOH CH2 COH, it is a aldol. Okay, then next is hemiacetate. Aldehyde react with the alcohol, one molecule of the alcohol. So simple concept is alcohol. Okay, so OR alkoxy group attached with the carbon and then hydrogen going to the oxygen. So RCOH and HOR. Clear? So this is the hemiacetate. So aldehyde react with the alcohol. So one more, first product is hemiacetate. Again react with the alcohol, so formation acetate. Then next is oxime. Ketone react with the hydroxylamine NH2OH. Okay, so this is the H2O out and eliminate. So RC double bond R and OH. So it is form oxime. Then ketal. Carbonyl group with the 2 molecule of the alcohol, but ketone react. Aldehyde react with the alcohol, so hemiacetal and acetal. But alcohol react, so 1 molecule of the alcohol reacts, so ketal form, hemiketal. Okay, and 2 molecule of the alcohol, so 2 of side alkoxy group attached, so it is formed ketal. Then imine. Imine product formed by the condensation of the aldehyde or ketone with the ammonia. So same NH2, H2O out and double bond NH. So C double bond NH we have to say imine. Okay. Then 2,4-DNP derivatives. 2,4-DNP, benzene. 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine, hydrazine NH2NH2. So 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. Okay, so aldehyde or ketone react with the 2,4-DNP. So to form yellow, orange, red color derivatives. Okay, so here water out and double bond and NH2. So this is the 2,4-DNP derivative. Clear? Then Schiff base. Aldehyde or ketone react with the primary amine RNH2. So to form condensation product H2O out. Okay, so RCR double bond NR. So this is the Schiff base. So aldehyde or ketone react with the primary amine. So two formation condensation product, and it is known as, which are known as Schiff base, RCR and R. Then question number 2, name the following compounds according to the IUPAC system. So here you see CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. Okay, so carbon number 1, 2, 3. This is the in bracket, this is the substrate group. 4, 5. And fourth number CH3 attached. So 4 methyl and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentane plus L, aldehyde suffix L. So 4 methyl pentanate. Okay, like 7th number example, here you see OHC, C6H5, so 4CHO. That is means benzene ring. Okay, first number and then fourth number CHO and CHO. Okay, CHO, CHO. First number and fourth number aldehyde group attached. So its name is benzene 1,4-dicarbonyl. Other example you write. If you any problem, so please tell me. Okay, because only for write the IUPAC name. Clear? Then question number 3, draw the structure. Draw the structure. First one is 3-methyl-butanal. 3-methyl-butanal. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So third number methyl group. So 3-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 butane plus aldehyde suffix L. So this is the 3-methyl-butanal. Then fourth number example, here you see 4-methyl pent 3-ene 2-on. That is pent 5 carbon. We have to write 3-ene after third carbon double bond, and second number on ketonic group, and 4-methyl group. Okay, see the example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbon after third double bond and second number ketonic group, right? So this is the structure of the 4-methyl 3-ene, pent 3-ene 2-on. Clear? Then like example, here you see 7th number para-para dihydroxybenzophenol. Para-para dihydroxybenzophenol. So see, para-para dihydroxybenzene, dihydroxybenzene. That is means 2 benzene ring attached with the para position OH group and benzophenone in between carbonyl group. Okay, this is the benzophenone and para position hydroxy group. Okay, exercise question, please you will write. You write in your notebook. Okay, one by one question. Okay, because without practice it is not possible to write in the exam. So please practice. Okay, so one by one question you write and check correct or not. Okay, and then again you write. Then next question number 4. Write the IUPAC name of the following ketones and aldehyde. Wherever possible, give also common name. So CH3, CO, CH2 whole, 4 CH3. So how many carbons? CH3 1, 2 and 3. And CH2 whole 4. That is means in series way 4 methyl group. So 1, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. 7 carbon hept. Okay. Ketonic group second number. So 2 on. Heptane 2 on. Clear? Then fifth number you see cyclopentane and first number CHO. So cyclopentane carbaldehyde. Okay, see this example. pH, CO, pH. pH, don't confuse. Do not confuse. pH is, that is means phenyl group, C6H5 in between carbonyl group, ketonic group. Okay, so both of side phenyl group will in between carbonyl group. ketone, so its name is benzophenone. Otherwise you write diphenyl 1 carbon methane plus on, diphenyl 1 carbon methane plus ketonic suffix is on, so diphenyl methanol. Otherwise we say benzophenone. Then next is draw the structure of the following derivatives. First number 2,4-dinitro. Okay, so 2,4-dinitrophenyl. So phenyl, second number, and fourth number dinitro. Phenyl, 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone, that is means NH2 of benzaldehyde. Okay, so benzaldehyde. So first we have to take derivatives. So derivative, that is means benzaldehyde, we have to take CHO, C double bond OH, react with the hydrazine 2,4-DNP, right? So 2,4-DNP, H2N, NH2, benzene ring, 2,4-nitro. Okay, so here you see this, here we write H and here write double bond O. So this is the H2 out. So formation compound benzene CH, then double bond and NH, here NH and NH, and then benzene 2,4-dinitro. So it is the derivative. Okay, so 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazone of benzaldehyde, right? Then cyclopropanone oxime, cyclopropane, this is the 3 ring cyclopropane, and what is the oxime? Double bond NaOH. This is the oxime attached with the cyclopropanone, so it is a cyclopropanone oxime. Then acetaldehyde dimethyl acetaldehyde, that is means CH3CHO, CH3CHO. Okay, and methyl acetal, CH3O attached with the carbon, so it is formed acetaldehyde dimethyl acetate. Then the semi-carbazone of cyclobutanone, and cyclobutane, that is means 4 ring cyclobutane, and on means double bond carbon double bond oxygen. So here carbon double bond oxygen, and semi-carbazine NH2CO NH2NH. So oxygen of this carbon and hydrogen of the nitrogen eliminate as a water and formation between the double bond. Clear? So this is the semi-carbazone of the cyclobutanone. Then ethylene ketale of the hexane 3-on, ethylene ketale. Okay, so ethylene ketale of the hexane 3-on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third number ketone group. Okay, so C double bond O and ethylene ketone CH2OH. Okay, so oxygen of the carbonyl group and then hydrogen of the ethylene glycol, so H2 out, and then here formation ketane. Okay, then methyl hemiacetal of the formaldehyde HCHO HCHO. So here double bond oxygen out from the hemiacetal, methyl hemiacetal. So from hydrogen of the methoxy group and oxygen of the aldehyde group. So eliminate as a H2O. Okay, and this is the formation methyl hemiacetal of the formaldehyde. Next question is, predict the products formed when cyclohexane carbaldehyde react with the following reagent. First one is phenyl magnesium bromide. Here you see phenyl magnesium bromide and then H3O plus. So when both are react, this is the MgBr. Okay, and this is the H3O plus. Phenyl magnesium bromide and then H3O plus. So phenyl when cyclohexane carbaldehyde react. Okay, so cyclohexane carbaldehyde react cyclohexane carbaldehyde, that is means CHO. Okay, I write here cyclohexane carbaldehyde, right, react with the phenyl magnesium bromide, Br Mg phenyl. You already know magnesium electropositive, phenyl electronegative. Okay, carbonyl group, carbon electropositive, oxygen negative. So magnesium going to the oxygen and phenyl going to the carbon. So see, this is the cyclohexane, CH, carbon with attached with the phenyl, phenyl attached with the carbon, and here double bond attached with the magnesium bromide. So single bond OMgBr, and again this bond is break, hydrolysis. So here OH. Okay. Then second number, Tollern reagent. Cyclocarbaldehexane carbaldehyde, cyclohexane CHO react with the Tollern reagent. So you already know about OH group attached with the hydrogen, okay, carbon. So this is the formation product. Then semi-carbazide and weak acid. Semi-carbazide you already know about. First cyclohexane carbaldehyde, CHO, and semi-carbazide NH2CO NH2 NH. So oxygen of the aldehyde and hydrogen of the nitrogen eliminate and double bond form. Then cyclohexane carbaldehyde CHO react with the excess ethanol and acid. Ethanol C2H5OH. So two molecule attached with the carbon. So this is the product are formed, C2H5O, C2H5O. Hydrogen of this both alcohol and oxygen of the carbon eliminate as a water. Then zinc amalgam and dilute hydrochloric acid. So cyclohexane CHO react with the zinc amalgam, that is HCl. So alkane are formed. Clear? Next, which of the following compounds would undergo aldol condensation? Okay, and which the Cannizzaro reaction and which neither. So write the structures of the expected product, aldol condensation and Cannizzaro. So first is methanol, and methanol is aldehyde, so easily represent methanol will undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. Lowest member of the, so methanol at CHO react NaOH. So first sodium formate are formed, okay, C double bond O, Na, okay, and methanol isolate. Then second compound is 2-methyl pentenyl and 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentenyl. Here you see aldehyde first carbon attached alpha position. Okay, so this reaction is low due to the steric hindrance. So aldol condensation really present. When two compound reactant we have to take. Okay, so easily give aldol condensation. Here you see one compound, which group, carbonyl group react, and another is methylene. So CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, then CHOH, then attach another group is methylene group. So CH3 CHO CH2 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 CH3. Okay. Then next is benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde aromatic compound, so it is give a Cannizzaro reaction. So lowest aldehyde and then aromatic compound give Cannizzaro reaction. Then benzophenone. Benzophenone will not undergo any of these two reactions because benzophenone, it is a ketonic group and in between carbonyl group, both of side phenyl group attached. So it is not give aldol or Cannizzaro. Then cyclohexane. This is the cyclohexane attached with the ketonic group C double bond O. So it is give aldol condensation. See, one benzene CHO. So NaOH react with the aldol condensation. So first here double bond convert into the OH and this carbon attached with the another ketonic group. Okay. Then one phenyl propanol. One phenyl propanol. So one number phenyl and 1, 2, 3 propanol give aldol condensation because same molecule we have to take. So one carbonyl group C double bond O and another methylene group. So in the presence of the NaOH, benzene, CH2COOH and then CH3 and another methylene group, so CH2CO, CH2 benzene. Clear? So this is the main basic concept. Then after we have to write this way, CH2 benzene, this is the one product and this is the another product. Okay, this side attach, if another side attach. Okay. Next is how will you convert in ethanol into the following compounds. So ethanol, butane 1,3-diol. So butane 1,3-diol. How will you convert ethanol into the following? So butane 1,3-diol. 1, 2, 3, 4. One number and third number, all group. So convert by the ethanol, CH3CHO. So we have already known about aldehyde convert into the alcohol by the reaction of the aqueous NaOH. So first you practice of the chemical reaction of the aldehyde, then you easily do. Otherwise it is you are confused. Okay, so you easily understand aldehyde convert into the alcohol only by one reaction, when react with the NaOH, and NaOH react, so OH, this double bond is break. Okay, and here H, and then here NaO. Okay, so CH3C double bond OH. This is the aldol condensation. So two molecules are attached. One aldehyde carbonyl group and another aldehyde group is methylene. So CH3CHOH, and another aldehyde group methylene group. So CH2COH. Again reduced. Okay, so reduced into the this double bond is break, and here H. Okay, and either here hydrogen. So CH3CHOH, CH2, CH2OH. Okay, butane 1,3-diol. So for conversion it is necessary to practice the chemical reaction of the aldehyde. Okay, clear? Same, second and third also same. Okay, clear? So please practice. Then next question is, an organic compound with the molecular formula C9H10O. In the last board exams, this question came. An organic compound with the molecular formula C9H10O forms 2,4-DNP derivative. You already know about 2,4-DNP derivative. And reduce Tollern reagent and undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. But on vigorous oxidation, it gives 1,2-benzene dicarboxylic acid. So identify the compound. So you first hint given, the compound form 2,4-DNP derivative. That is mean it is show carbonyl group. Further say it is reduce only Tollern reagent. So that is means which carbonyl group? Aldehyde group. Okay. Then after given, give only for Cannizzaro reaction. And Cannizzaro reaction, you know about aldehyde group is without any alpha hydrogen. Okay, so on vigorous oxidation we have to take 1,2-benzene dicarboxylic acid. Here given on vigorous condition 1,2-benzene dicarboxylic acid. That is means there are 2 carbon residues on benzene ring. So benzene ring attached. So since the molecular formula is C9H10O. Okay, so see benzene ring, because molecular formula given C9H10O. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one side aldehyde groups and another side ethyl, CH2CSC. So see complete carbon 9, hydrogen 10, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. C9 and then oxygen, 1 oxygen. So oxidized. Okay, oxidized. So this is the compound and this is compound oxidized and convert into the acid. Clear? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Carbon 8, oxygen 4. Okay, so complete it and then 1, 2 dicarboxylic benzene dicarboxylic acid. Okay, clear? So one by one hint given, so you easily identify. Clear? Then question number 11, an organic molecule compound A, molecular formula C8H16O2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hydrogen 16. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oxygen 2. Okay, so hydrolyzed with the dilute sulfuric acid. So dilute sulfuric acid. So to give carboxylic acid B. So we have to see reaction. C. hydrolysis and give hydrolysis when, so this compound is break, this one side hydrogen and this side OH. Okay, so one acid form and one alcoholic group, B and C. Then after alcohol react with the chromic acid, this is given in the question. So chromic acid H2CrO4, that is means it is oxidized, H2 out, and then oxygen are attached. So CS, this is the convert into the carboxylic acid, and B and both are B same. Okay, then C react with the sulfuric acid. So heat, this is the acid, and if in the presence of the acid, hydrogen and OH group isolate, and between the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the carbon OH group and this is the carbon hydrogen group. Okay, H2O out, and then double bond are formed, but1 in. So this is the product. Okay, clear? So the various reaction involved. Next question I will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much.